Hey, 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 it's Jennifer from the patio, coming to you today with another haul. I couldn't help myself. We went to a different place today. We had to take my granddaughter somewhere, and on the way back, we stopped at this Goodwill that we don't frequent very often, but when we're in the area, we do. And look what I got. It is so weird. I was telling my husband that I was looking on Goodwill online, so because you can buy all kinds of stuff, but the shipping gets you. But anyway, and so I was like just looking, because my husband goes on there, and I was like, I don't need any more stamps. I don't need anything like that. I said the only thing I really want is I wish I could find like just a haul of stamps, like punches, not stamps, but punches. And so sure enough, that was last night. Sure enough, today, the universe was good to me. Or whoever. And so I was like, oh my goodness. But this was $9.99. And look at this. This is exactly what I've been looking for. I don't even know if they work. But that one looks like I've been looking for some different shapes. So we're going to go through them. I just want to show you what I'm going to get out of this big old bag. Oh, how pretty. See, look at that. That's so nice. I love that. Okay. And then this is a Fiskar Heritage. Oh, it's like little scallops and it's like on each side. Okay. Love that. I love these too. Except I had a heart one and I broke it because they're kind of, you have to be really careful, but that's pretty. That's a little music note. Oh, I can use that in my journal. And my Bubblegum Christmas journal. Oh, look, cupcakes. Oh my gosh, that is just so stinking cute. Okay, I love it. This is going to be awesome. And I was wanting one of these too. I'm going to have to clean them. That's one of our rules. When we buy something, we have to come home and immediately clean everything that we do. But look at that. That's like just a rectangle ovally looking punch. Here's another cupcake. Looks like a birthday. Oh, and it has like the candle and all of that. That is just too cute. Okay, I love it. Okay, let's see what this one is. Okay, that one's cool. Oh, and this is, I have one like this. It does hearts, but it does the 3 different kinds. So when you punch, you can get 3 different shapes. I like that. Okay, so that's good. This looks like a brand new one. Okay, is there something wrong with me? What is it? Songbird Builder Punch. A songbird. That's what I thought when I looked at it, but I wasn't sure. What's wrong? Why is it that I can't see it? Okay, well, that's just me. That's not you. Okay, and then there's a little corner. This one looks like it might have some issues. That's not going. That's okay. 1 out of whatever. I'm okay with that. Oh, look, an ornament. Love it. That one's cool. Okay. What brand is this? Stampin' Up, of course. And then here's another Stampin' Up. You get a little stocking. Oh, and then something to put on here so you could do a different color. Okay, that's cute. I like that. Okay. And then this is just a little corner punch. Family Treasures. See if that goes in. Yep, it does. Okay. And then this one is the same. Okay, okay. And then one last one. And I think I have this one. Nope, I don't. That one's cool. But it's broke. It's broke. It's missing that little middle thing. But that's okay. I can just toss that sucker. But look at all that I got for $9.99. I think that's a great deal. So anyway, I was going to just, I wanted to come on and show you just how fun. And you know what? I have some cardstock behind me. And I'm just going to cut out a few shapes and just see what they look like. So, let's just look and see. Let's see how good they stamp. This one looks like it's not. Okay, that's weird. So it's stamping. It almost looked like this should be the opposite direction. Oh, and it perforates it. Oh, I gotcha. It makes like a little box like this, or maybe a flower petal. Oh, look how cute. I could make like some little, oh my goodness, that is so cute. Can you see that? Adorable. Okay, I love that one. Love it. Okay, let's do the music note. Let's see if this one works. I'll do it. It works perfect. Love it. Okay, that one's going to be nice too. So we'll put that one here and that one here. And then let's punch this. I'm always looking for, you know, like border punches because I just think they're cool. Let me do it close this way. You got get a little bit of muscle in there. Okay, that's very pretty. Very pretty for a botanical journal. And then you just keep going on if you want it to keep coming down or whatever. I like it. Okay, I like that one. So that's pretty. Let's see. I want to do this one. Wait, let's do these. So are these corners? Let me put it down. Okay. And then that one's like a little scallop. And then let's see what this one does. Okay, that one's a little round. I like that. That's cute. I have another punch, the one I got from off of Amazon that kind of does something similar, but not like that. So that one's cool. I like that one too. Okay. And then let's see what this does, because I really like, I really want, these are so heavy, y'all. Okay. I really like, I was like, I really want it like an oval of some sort. And there we go. Love it. Because, you know, when you're making windows in your pockets and you want to put some acetate or something behind them, I don't have a whole lot of shapes that do that kind of thing. Which this one would be good too. So let's see about this one. Let me see. I got to do it this way. I'm probably not going to. Yeah! Making little ornaments. Okay, that's cool. I like it. I like it. Okay, let's try this one. This one's really dirty. But listen, dirty is okay. Ooh, I love that. That one's really nice. So like for Christmas to do snowflakes or something. Okay, I like that. And I love the little stuff it leaves behind. Okay, let's do this one. So cute. That is adorable. I love that. Who doesn't want some cupcakes in their journal, right? How cute is that? Okay, that's going to be fun. Okay, let's do this one. Ooh, that one went down really nice. See, I like the look that it leaves behind, but look at this, and then you put it together. How cute is that? Look, this is like a little cherry on top, so you could do all these in different colors. I think this is the candle, so you would put it up like this. See, which is why I'm not a card maker, because I'm not that detail-y, tedious. I mean, I kind of am to a certain degree, but yeah, that's cute. And then you can get some little cute dots that go, like sprinkles or whatever. Okay, I like that. I have some Tim Holtz that are just kind of like that, where you have to kind of put them together. And it's not my favorite thing. It just isn't, but, you know, hey. Sometimes we do things, and Sometimes we don't. Ow. It's not going down. It's pretty though. Huh. I wonder why it wasn't going all the way down. Let's try that again. Maybe because I had it. I thought it was a corner punch, but it's not. Huh, that's weird. Okay, we'll put that one aside because it might be a dud. You're a dud. You're a dud. Was this the one that was broken? Yeah, this one wasn't going through either. I have a feeling some of these are, yeah, see, it comes out. I think it's supposed to be like that. And it's a V corner. Oh my gosh, you can make your own corners for your journals, like on the corners. I love it. Okay, see, I'm a Riri, but that's okay. I'm learning. I'm like, okay, this is cool. I love it. Okay, I love this one. This is kind of like this one, where it perforates it, and then you make like a cute little box or whatever. But that's awesome. You can make your own. That's cool. Okay, so this is obviously, it looks like a corner punch. I don't have any more corners. Let me get another piece of paper. Maybe a thicker piece of paper. Oh, you know what? It could be because this is 110. You know, it just might be a little bit too much for it. Which you wouldn't think it would be, but... Okay, let me do it like this. Perfect. Oh, that's so pretty. I like it. Do you see that? That's pretty. Okay, that one's a good punch. Like it. And then we can do this one with the stocking. See how nice that one goes down. I like them when they're like easy. That one's nice. And then this, you just do in different colors. And then this is the top thing. And then this is like a, I'll be honest, I don't even know what that is. What is that? Just like a little, like that? What do you think? Is that about right? I don't know. It looks right to me. Just kind of a decoration on there. That's cute. Oh, oh my gosh, y'all. I'm such a... What in the world is wrong with me? It is the part that goes like a sock. I'm like, I'm thinking it's decorations. My brain had to kick in. That is so cute. And then you put this at the top. Are y'all screaming at me? Oh, you are so silly. Look, there it is. Okay, that is so cute. I love that for Christmas. Okay, so that one worked good. And then I'll be honest, I just don't, I don't really see the bird on this. So, but let me just see. I don't know. Oh, there it is. Is this it? And then you put the beak. Okay, don't laugh at me because I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. Okay, let me get another piece. This is fun. Okay, let me get another piece. I got my whole thing behind me, but I got to make sure that I get a smaller, like a, there. I have to get a 65 pound opposed to a 110. Okay, that's the bird. The wing goes this way. This is a beak. Is this the head? And then I'm going to say it goes like, you know what? I have directions. I'm going to have to look at them because, I mean, I have no earthly idea. Are the directions in here? I don't know, but I'll look it up. But yes, that is Very cute. And then this piece is, I don't know, but that looks about right. But at least the punch works good. That's the most important thing. Whether or not I can use it, that's a whole nother story. Hey, if you know and you have any of these, let me know, because I don't have these. I'm new to Stampin' Up stamps. Punches. So these are cool. But yeah, look, $9.99, and I got all of these. These are all Stampin' Up. And then this one is so cute. I really like it. And I'm going to have to look that up and see. And I really like this. This one is cool. I didn't even realize what it is. That is so cool. And this one was pretty. So I think everything works. I think it all is good, and I really love this. I'm definitely going to make some cute little pockets like that to stick in my journals. Cute, cute. I love that. Okay, well, anyway, I just wanted to come on and show you my haul. I think it's cool. And you probably have already seen my other one that I got all the stamps. So anyway, I'm kind of racking it in, but guess what? I need to stop. I need to stop. This is it. I'm done. I got to tell myself. So anyway, you have a fabulous day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.